Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we'll learn our next grammar topic that will be gender noun. Okay. Now here noun we already learned the name of the person, place or thing from last 3 videos. We are learning that only for English. Now here gender is male or female. There are two genders, male or female. Male will be that will come male will be like boys, man will call them as male, and woman or a girl will come under female. So if it is a boy, here the female will be girl. If I'm writing man, the female will be woman. Okay, so gender are only two genders will be there, male and female. All the things that will come for boy or a man will be male. For our English in grammar, for all the nouns that will be male, we use the word masculine. Okay, for all the nouns that will be male, all the male nouns, we use the word masculine gender. Okay, next, for all the nouns that will come under female, like girl, woman, jobi, all the nouns that will be for females, we call it as feminine gender. Okay, it is nothing but masculine is nothing but male, feminine is nothing but female. Now I write it beside so that if I write examples, it's easier to understand. Female. Okay, now let's look into few examples for understanding. Masculine noun is nothing but it is used for male. So who are the males? And feminine is for female. So first, as we already started, we'll write with boy. Okay, boy is masculine. Feminine of boy will be girl. Then next, just now we saw man. Feminine of man will be woman. Okay. Next, king. King will be male. Now what is the female of king? Queen. Okay, and father. Father will come under feminine. Father will be male. Father will be a boy or a man. So father will come under masculine gender. Then feminine of father, mother. There can be many endless examples like that. Brother, sister, uncle, aunt. For animals also, tiger, feminine of tiger is tigress. There is a confusion. Few people have a misconception that lion is a male and tiger is a female, but this is wrong. Tiger is completely different animal. Lion is completely different animal. Many people think that lion is male and tiger is female, but that is wrong. Tiger is male and tigress will be female. And for lion, it will be lion will be male, lioness will be female. Okay? There are many examples that we can write. So this is masculine gender and feminine gender. One more small two topics are there for you, that will be neuter gender and common gender. Neuter gender is there in your portion, common is not there, but for your knowledge I am telling you. Neuter gender. Neuter gender is used for things, because things are not male or female. Okay? Used for things, I'll write. Neuter gender are used for things. Things, example, pencil, table, pencil, table, car, book, trees, chair, etc. All things basically. All things will come under neuter gender because they are not girl or a boy. A pencil will not be, there will be a girl pencil or a boy pencil. Okay, so these things, all the things will come under neuter gender. They will not be masculine, they will not be feminine. All things will come under neuter gender. Masculine gender is for males, feminine gender is for female, and neuter gender is for things. Another gender is, this is not there for your portion, I'm just telling for your knowledge, common gender. Common gender. Okay. Common gender is used for people only. Here it is used for things. Here common gender is used for people who can be either male or female. What does this mean? Common gender things will be, वो male भी हो सकता, female भी हो सकता. For example, in common gender, I'll write down doctor. डॉक्टर इज अ कॉमन जेंडर. डॉक्टर कैन बी मेल. डॉक्टर आदमी भी हो सकता, औरत भी हो सकती. डॉक्टर मेल भी हो सकता, फीमेल भी हो सकती. सो डॉक्टर विल बिकम अंडर कॉमन जेंडर. एंड टीचर, टीचर कैन बी ऑल्सो बोथ. Teacher can be also both. Teacher can be either masculine, either feminine. So these things which are not categorized like doctor, teacher, or a driver, child or children. Child can be a girl child also or a boy child also. So these genders, that these nouns that are not having particular gender like male or female, they will come under common gender, and all the things will have neuter gender. Okay, I hope you understood. Let's take a small exercise for understanding. I erase all this. Now, in my reader, there are few things. I mean, in the reader, there are few words given. I'll read each one of them and we'll categorize them into the three types. First is grandfather. What will grandfather will come under? Male, masculine gender. Okay. Next word here is king. King again, masculine gender. Next word is queen. Sorry, king again, queen will come over here only. Feminine gender will come under queen. Girl is given. Next word. Then he gave the word ladder. Ladder will not be male, ladder will not be female. So ladder will come under neuter gender. Okay. Next word, truck. Truck is given. Truck is male. Truck is a car. Truck is a vehicle. No. So it is not female. It is not male. It is not female. Truck will come under neuter gender. Next word. So my next word is horse. So horse will come under masculine gender. Now what is the female horse called? Horse is masculine, horse is male. So if the horse is female, what it is called? A female horse is called as male. Okay, remember this. A female horse is called as male. And next again, all the old examples that already I explained you are only there. I hope you understood. Just we'll see here which are the missing words. Grandfather is male. So what will be the female of grandfather? Grandmother. We'll complete this. Next. King, queen, girl. What girl is female? So what will the male gender of girl? It will be boy. Horse, male we already learned. And for animals also we saw tiger, tigress, lion, lioness, similar. And all the things will come under neuter gender only. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.